Somewhere in your architecture is a decision someone made in an afternoon, and your company has paid for it every month since. It's on the diagram. It just doesn't look like it costs anything. That's the problem with diagrams. They show what connects to what. They don't show what it costs, how far a breach travels, or which box wakes someone at 3 in the morning. The interesting decisions are the ones the diagram doesn't record. So this channel goes past it. One season builds a fraud engine that blocks a card mid-transaction with Kafka and Flink. Another walks TOGAF phase by phase as a single engagement. Another traces security architecture from MITRE ATT&CK through NIST 800-207 down to the authorization model underneath it. Whatever the subject, the rule is the same. Real technologies, named specs, no hand-waving. Every season follows one company. You watch a decision get made, and then you watch what it does to them 6 months later. Every frame is drawn as it's explained, because the diagram building is the explanation, no stock footage, and nobody on camera. If you design systems and you've ever inherited someone else's afternoon, subscribe. The pattern pack is linked below whenever you want it.